Spotify is a leading music streaming service that offers a vast library of songs, albums, playlists, and podcasts, providing users with access to millions of tracks from various genres and artists. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface, personalized recommendations, and extensive music library, making it a popular choice among music enthusiasts worldwide. Spotify offers both free and premium subscription options, allowing users to choose the plan that best suits their needs. One of the standout features of Spotify is its powerful recommendation engine, which uses algorithms and machine learning to provide personalized music recommendations based on users' listening habits. This feature helps users discover new music and artists that match their preferences, enhancing their overall listening experience. Spotify also offers curated playlists, such as Discover Weekly and Release Radar, which provide users with a mix of new and popular tracks tailored to their tastes. Spotify's premium subscription offers additional features such as offline listening, ad-free experience, and higher audio quality, providing a more seamless and enjoyable listening experience. The platform also supports social features, allowing users to share their favorite tracks and playlists with friends and follow other users to see what they are listening to. Spotify's integration with various devices and platforms, including smartphones, tablets, smart speakers, and gaming consoles, ensures that users can enjoy their music anytime, anywhere. Spotify also offers a wide range of podcasts covering topics such as news, entertainment, education, and more, making it a comprehensive platform for both music and podcast lovers. Regular updates and new features ensure that Spotify remains at the forefront of the music streaming industry, providing users with a constantly evolving and improving experience. Overall, Spotify is a versatile and user-friendly music streaming service that offers a vast library of content, personalized recommendations, and a seamless listening experience, making it an essential platform for music enthusiasts.